When I first started cutting hair, I did not understand how to read clipper guards. I did a lot of scary guessing, and there were even some guards that I just didn't keep because I thought they were a mistake.
Confession, I don't know what I'm doing.
If that's you, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will be able to read Wahl clipper guards like a pro. When reading clipper guards, you have your lengths left in inches on the bottom left corner. The lower the number, the shorter the hair that's left. The larger the number, the longer the hair that's left. So it's not the amount that is being cut off, it's the amount that will be left. Let's do a run through of all of the clipper guards. First, there is a half, which is 1/16 of an inch that is left. This is a really helpful guard for blending really short fades. Next, there's a number 1, which is 1/8 of an inch. Then you have a 1.5. This is another blending guard, and it is 3/16 of an inch. Number 2 is probably the most used one, 1/4 inches left. Number 3, 3/8 inches left. Number 4, 1/2 inch left. Number 5, 5/8 inches left. Number 6, 3/4 inches left. Number 7, 7/8 inches left. And a number 8, which is an inch left. And this is going to be your longest guard.